Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Join me as I cut out this beautiful Victorian corset. Okay, marked out, already drafted my basic bodice down. I'm introducing the darts. I marked out 1 inch on both sides. Then use your curves to curve out the curves so that it will have a perfect shape. You mark out all your darts perfectly the way you see here. Then for the down part, I used half inch so that the down, I don't want it to be so tight, to accommodate the hip. So the next thing I will do is to remove half inch from the side. That's exactly what I did now. Okay, so after that I have to raise up the darts by 3 inches. So you measure how you want it to be up there. If you don't want the cleavage to show too much, then you mark it out. So what I'm doing now is I'm pushing the dart. I'm trying to move the dart because I don't want the lines in front to be straight. So it's just like you having a dart manipulation technique, trying to shift the dart to the side. Okay, let me just use the word slant, just to slant my dart, and other darts will follow suit. So I just shaded the cutoff area so that it will be easy for you to see. Sorry about the mistakes. I promise to do better next time. Okay, so I checked my measurement and I had to divide all the measurements into 3 so that I can cut I can have 3 different lines in front. So you see, already marked the first line, and I'm going to use half inch to bring out the darts, take it down to the length of the blouse, using my curve to mark out the exact thing I want, the way I want the dart to form. Okay, so in case you don't have a perfect curve for this, you can look for it online, Instagram, Facebook. We have vendors that sell them. You can easily get one for pattern drafting. Okay, so the next one, I need to reconfirm the measurement to be sure I still have enough space to accommodate the other darts. So I marked out my darts for the front. Sorry, the video skipped and I had to move to the back of the bodice. And if you're not a beginner, you already know how you mark out the back of your bodice, and with that you do your darting. I have 2 darts at the back, making it 3 pieces at the back. So anyone I do, I confirm my measurement, because one thing with this Victorian corset is the little thing you do will shorten your measurement, becomes a problem. So I marked out my neckline. I put I did my zipper, because the back of the dress is not going to be a rope, it's going to have a zipper at the back. So I marked out the length. The front length, the back length is shorter than the front. So right now I'm cutting out the patterns. I'm going to cut everything out one by one. I'm going to cut out and then label. If you don't label, you on your own, you can misplace, or anything can happen to the pattern if it's not well arranged. So I just did that right now, and this is the pattern all cut out and safe and sitting pretty. So the next thing is to go ahead and cut my fabric. You can see my fabric, it's already cut, and the next thing to do is to heat my machine. So guys, thank you so much. I promise I'm going to do this video again. I'm going to do this video again and in a better way. I promise it's going to be better next time. Okay, manage this one. From Lily Creations, thank you guys for watching.